Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming iMessage is enabled, and both you and the recipient show blue bubbles. That removes SMS versus iMessage issues. Once done, restart the phone and toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds to refresh connections, because many send problems stem from transient network or session errors. Also, check Settings General Software Update so your OS isn't blocking new message extensions. Updating fixes compatibility with iMessage apps and game extensions. Next, dive into the Messages app drawer and ensure the game appears and is enabled. An app extension can be disabled even if the full game is installed. If that fails, sign out and back into your Apple ID under Settings Messages to refresh authorization tokens. This resolves many permission and syncing problems. If you still hit errors, reset network settings to clear corrupted Wi-Fi or cellular profiles, because corrupted network configs often block media and app attachments. To finish, force quit messages and relaunch, then send a small test game invite so you can isolate whether the issue is resolved or intermittent. If problems persist, update or reinstall the game's iMessage extension from the App Store to repair damaged files. And one key troubleshooting tip: if nothing else works, perform a selective backup and restore. A clean restore often clears deep-seated software corruption, but only after you've tried network resets and Apple ID re-authenticating, since those are less disruptive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.